Superboy, the invisible girl, son of steel and daughter of air. He's a hero, lover, a prince. She's not there. Superboy, the invisible girl, everything a kid ought to be. He's immortal, forever alive. Then there's me. I wish I could fly and magically appear and disappear. I wish I could fly. I'd fly far away from here. Superboy, the invisible girl, he's the one you wish would appear. He's a hero, forever your son. He's not here. I am here. You know that's not true. Your little pride and joy, your perfect plan. You know I love you. I love you as much as I can. Take a look at the invisible girl. Here she is, clear as the day. Please look closely and find her before she fades away. Superboy, the invisible girl, son of steel and daughter of air. He's a hero, a lover, a prince. She's not there.